Alright, so here this morning I'm down at the cabin and I'm going to work on my uncle's Farmall 100. We need to put a new battery in it, and then I'm also going to change the regulator out on it. It had had an old battery in it, and last summer it didn't start for about half the summer. We were push starting it, and so we went ahead and got a new battery. And before that it was overcharging the whole time, but it was a really old battery. It was like a 10-year-old battery, which is pretty good for a 6-volt battery. And I think that was partly it lasted maybe so long because it was overcharging, which was keeping it charged up good enough to start it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new battery in, make sure it starts, and then I'm going to put the new regulator on. Alright, we'll see if it'll start up here. Started pretty good. So here, this is the regulator on this, right below the generator for it. So here's the new one here. So you have your different wires going on, and then 2 bolts here to hold it on. And so we'll go ahead and put this on. The main thing you got to do is figure out which way it goes on and make sure you keep the wires the same. They are marked as different ones, but it's just easier to mimic what's on there and go with that. Okay, so now it don't want to start, so I don't know what's going on. I don't know if the switch is bad or if something else is going on. I don't have the multimeter down here to check it, so I may not get to show you if that fixed it or not. I double checked to make sure I had everything hooked up on that right, but it's good, so I don't know exactly what's going on. We'll see if we can get it going here. If not, I'll have to bring down my multimeter and check it out and see what I can figure out from there. Could be the switch. It's kind of what I'm thinking. It's not turning on, so we'll see here.